So hello everyone, this is FBL and welcome to my channel with a new video. So today we are going to review and unbox the fragrance that has been a favorite of mine for a long time now. It is from the house Giorgio Armani and it is none other than the famous, the top Acqua di Gio Profumo. So this is the box and how it looks like. So now I'll be doing the unboxing of this box and let's check this out. So this fragrance was launched in 2015 and this fragrance is a flanker of the original Acqua di Gio which was launched back in 1996. So this fragrance is considered to be more intense and long lasting version of the original fragrance. So the nose behind this fragrance is, or I can say the creator who created this fragrance is my personal favorite, Sir Alberto Morillas. I really love his creations and this fragrance is really very iconic in the industry. So this is the presentation. The bottle is really very classy and it feels really very premium in hand. For the presentation, I would rate Armani 10 out of 10 for this amazing bottle. So let's talk about the notes of this fragrance. At the top you get bergamot and sea notes which give it a fresh and aquatic opening. In the middle you get geranium, sage which give it a little spicy and a little herbaceous feel. And at the base, my favorite, you get patchouli and incense which give it a woody and a smoky feel. And if you have no idea about these notes, basically in general I would say it smells really very classy. It has a very incensey kind of feel in this fragrance, a very niche kind of incense. It smells so classy, you can say it is a boss in a bottle. This easily comes in my top 3 pick in my entire collection. So talking about the performance of this fragrance, this is parfum concentration, which means it lasts really very longer compared to EDT. And generally on me, it lasts for about 8 to 10 hours on my skin. And this fragrance has a very good projection. Initially, when you spray it on your skin, it really projects for around 4 to 5 hours easily. The projection is very beast. Overall, I think Acqua di Gio Profumo is an excellent fragrance from the house of Giorgio Armani. It is a modern masculine fragrance that is really very perfect for any occasion. This fragrance is really very versatile. It is fresh, spicy, and woody all at the same time. This is really very favorite of mine. I highly recommend this fragrance to anyone who is looking for a versatile and a very long lasting fragrance. I would definitely recommend this fragrance. And in recent batches they don't have magnetic caps. So earlier they used to have magnetic caps, but if you're going to get this bottle after 2021 batch, it won't have that magnetic cap. Apart from that, I absolutely love this fragrance because this fragrance is really very fresh and very long lasting and is very perfect for the summers. The performance is really very beast, and this really stays on my skin and clothes. For on my skin it stays for almost 6 7 8 9 hours, and on my clothes it stays for a day or two. So this is very long lasting fragrance, very projecting, and is very versatile fragrance. You can pull this off in summers and as well as in winters, but this works really very fine in high heat condition. And this is very classy, very classy fragrance, especially very good for office kind of environment. I love this fragrance so much that this is my fifth bottle. So that's it for today. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fragrance reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.